Mutually exclusive events are when two events cannot happen at the same time. When you have two mutually exclusive events, you're going to find the probability of event A. You're going to add it to the probability of event B, and that's going to give you your total probability of the event happening. So to take a look with the spinner example that's down below, if you spin once, what is the probability? Of landing on red? Or landing on blue. So I have P of R or blue. If you're spinning a spinner, you cannot both land. If you're only doing it one time, you cannot land on red and blue at the same time. It's impossible. So you're going to be either landing on blue or you're going to be landing on red. So that's going to be the probability of landing on red plus the probability of landing on blue. If I look at red, I have a probability of 3 out of 8. If I land on blue, I also have a probability of 3 out of 8. So if I only spin one time, the probability of landing on a red or a blue is going to be the addition of those two things, which is 6 out of 8. If I reduce that, it could be reduced to 2/3. So 2 times out of every 3 that I spin, I will land on either red or blue. Another option that we might see is a standard deck of cards. Finally choose one card. What is the probability that it will be a 5 of diamonds, or 6 of clubs, or a 2 of hearts? Here I have a compound event of 3 different events. I've got the probability of A happening, which is the diamonds, the probability of B happening, which is the clubs, and the probability of C happening, which is going to be the 2 of hearts. If I look at all those events, I cannot take the 5 of diamonds and the 6 of clubs and the 2 of hearts at the same time, so I'm going to take each one individually. 5 of diamonds only happens once in the deck. The 6 of clubs only happens once in the deck. And the 2 of hearts only happens once in the deck. So I've got 1 divided by 52 plus 1 out of 52 plus 1 out of 52, which is 3 out of 52. I'm going to go ahead and reduce that. How many times is 3 going to 52? Let's see, I don't think it goes in at all. Because if you add 5 and 2 together, you get 7, and you can't divide that by 3. So your final answer is 3 out of 52. The last one has to do with choosing a marble. It's the probability of choosing a green marble or a blue marble. If when you started there were 4 green, 5 blue, and 6 red in the bag, it's going to be the probability of the green marble plus the probability of the blue marble. Green is going to give me 4 out of a total 15. The blue is going to give me 5 out of a total of 15. Together giving me 9 out of a 15. I'm going to reduce that down. 3 goes into each one of those, and that gives me a 3 out of 5 possibility as my final answer. So every time I Every 5 times that I choose a marble, 3 of those times is going to be a green or a blue, since when I reach my hand into the bag, I can't pull out a green at the same time as I pull out a blue if I'm only choosing one.